This is USD JPY and today it's Monday 22nd of December 2014 and the time is 21:43 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members, FX Holics, Forex Signal Subs users and WhatsApp Signals subscribers. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. We see on the H4 time frame that the pair is on a wild rally and it can't be stopped, although a lot of efforts have been made to push it down. Even the Bollinger Band at a certain point became curved, but now we see that they are in a contraction phase and stochastics, although in overbought zone, they go aggressively up, so we should expect an expansion. We should expect a breakout, a strong upward move. And this is the only exception of entering long on the upper Bollinger Band. And if you want to buy, you can buy now, although the price is on the upper Bollinger Band, because the Bollinger Bands are in a contraction phase and we expect an expansion, and you can place your stop loss at the lower Bollinger Band and your take profit target a few pips below the upper Bollinger Band on daily time frame. I have the feeling that this will be part of a zigzag move which aims at decreasing pairs bullish momentum and finally succeeding in pushing it down for a proper correction. But again, I may be wrong. It's better to let the price lead and just follow and observe the markets than trying to predict things. So again, enter long buy from H4 time frame. Even if the price is on the upper Bollinger Band, we expect an expansion. Stochastics confirm that. Place your stop loss at the lower Bollinger Band or even below the lower Bollinger Band. Your take profit target a few pips below the upper Bollinger Band. Trail your stop loss following the lower Bollinger Band, since you are going to enter it below it. If you are even more conservative, place it below the body of the Kumo and trail it according to the morphology of the lower border of the Kumo. And this is it. Thanks for watching and happy pips.